I got some scrap materials here. I'm going to go ahead and weld together a metal flower here. So I got an old fence post. I'm going to cut it with my grinder. I'm going to cut it in half. Got some horseshoes I'm going to use for the leaves, and then a saw blade for the flower portion. First thing I'm going to do is cut that in half with the grinder. Next thing I'm going to do is grind these nubs off here because I plan on welding this flat there to the front of that. Get rid of some of these with that. Alright, I ground myself a spot for my ground clamp, and I just ground that off too because it's going to sit in front of there, kind of like that. I got the front kind of plug welded up there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of tacks on the back there. Alright, time to get to the pedals here some more. Ground an area off. It's going to sit like that first one. More. Weld this one kind of like that. Time to go ahead and paint it. I'm going to go ahead and paint this flower, the stem green and the flower yellow.